Stop it. Stop making these stupid excuses for these things. This is why people wait to start investing, because they either don't understand it, or they're told some fallacy, or they believe it a certain way, and then they spend their entire life looking back going like,
Bear gang till I die, ho. Swooped up the homies and we about to start a sideshow.
it's about starting. That's the most important thing. I mean, let me put it to you this way. Okay, let me tell you something. This is why I need you to be focused on this and not be intimidated by this and understand this and get started now. Let me show you something. Here you go. You'll put away $73,000. You'll make $319,000 by only putting away $100 a month starting at 21. That's it. By the time you're 65, you will have only put away $73,000 and you will have $319,000. Let's say you max it out. You put $500 a month. Okay? You will have put away $369,000. You will have $1.596 million. But. Let me show you why it's so important to start now. Let's say you wait 10 years. Right? Over half gone. Over half gone. But Stocky, I'm 31 now. I'm doomed. No, you're not. Because if you wait 10 more years, gone. The earlier you do this, it's not about the amount of money, it's about the amount of time. If you're in your 30s, you're fucking young when it comes to investing. Every moment, every day, every month, every year that you wait, you're giving away money. I'm 19. Is it too early? No, you're already a year late. Get on it. I bought my first PayPal and Amazon shares at 18. Exactly. Okay? Exactly. Stop waiting. Whether you're doing a 401k and it's an employer match, whether it's an IRA, whether it's an HSA, whether it's a fucking taxable account, I don't care. But Stocky, what if the market drops and I die? You're not going to time it right. But there's people that have been waiting since 2012 for the market to crash and they never got in and they can't afford anything anymore. The average cost of a house in 2000 was $169,000. It's $400,000 today. If you didn't have your money working in the market, guess what? You're a renter instead of a buyer. I'm sorry. Okay? And if you think, well, I'll just wait for house prices to come down one day, it's probably going to be $800,000 on an average house in 10 to 15 to 20 years. So if you can't afford a house now, you better start making that money work for you, because there's only one way that you, outside of starting a millionaire business, that you're going to make your money work fast enough to keep up with real estate inflation. And that's through equities, through the stock market. I don't care if you buy individual stocks, if you go all in on tech, if you do dividends, if you just want to buy a total market fund, if you just want to put your 401k up to your match, and if you have a 401k, make sure your management fees are low. I've seen too many people in here find out about it, go to their HR and come back and, Stocky, I just found out my 401k management fee is 2.5%. That's good, right? That's 50% of your retirement gone. You're welcome. Somebody just took that from you. You're never going to retire now. Or if you do, you can't buy shit. Okay? They don't teach you this stuff. You got to know this stuff. Anybody in here over 30 years old, okay, can tell you right now that they wish to God when they were 18 they opened an IRA. They wish to high heavens that they started investing 15 years ago. Don't make the same mistake that a lot of people did. Okay? There are all kinds of people out there that want you to stay in the debt cycle. You need to be a debt slave to keep the economy going the way it is. Okay, and if we want to keep the way we have things, that's true. But I want to help, instead of 100% of people being in that debt slave cycle, I want to help, the 0.1, the 0.5, whatever, here, break out of that cycle and not be stuck in it. There is a reason why you are taught fucking calculus in high school and not how to balance a budget or how to pay off credit cards or how compounding interest works so you're not fucked. There's a reason, because for this economy and this world, as a consumer and producer thing, you need to work to make money, to spend your money, to go into debt, to keep working, to pay off that debt, and let the cycle continue. We need that. You are the little worker bees. I'm sorry. Okay? But if you have financial education, you can get rid of this, make this smaller, invest, and then one day you stop doing that. Okay? Break the cycle. I don't want you to stop working. That's why I never say FIRE, which is financial independence, retire early. I don't want you to focus on retiring early. That is an early death sentence. I want you FIFU. I want you financial independence and fuck you money. And the reason I say that is because I want you to keep working or keep doing something, because that's going to keep you young and alive. The second you retire, you're already counting down the clock. I've now made up all the losses from the other day that we had on the red day, so this is today now. So we started, I started this account live on stream in May. I funded it with 10,000 and we've turned it into 27,000 now. So that means we made a 170% return. Swing trading shares in the last, what was it, May, June, July, August, October, November, 5 months. And none of this was crazy stuff. A few options here, a few fun plays here and there, but mostly legitimate swing trading, gap ups, and whatnot. So we've done well on this account. We funded this account in May. How? You can hit exclamation point trades and see every trade I've made live on stream. Every trade I've made live on stream. Here's the biggest fallacy. Stocky, I don't want to do that because I have to pay more taxes. But that's not how it works. It's not, oh, I better not do that because I got to pay taxes. That's like, say, Stocky, I don't want to get a raise at work because I'm going to pay more taxes. Bitch, what are you talking about? You're making 50 grand more a year. Yeah, you have to pay an extra 4 grand in taxes, but you're still up $46,000 more. No, I'm good. No. I'm going up a tax bracket. Don't want it. Don't want it. Nah, please. I want to stay at my salary. I don't want to pay more taxes. You pay more taxes because you make more money. It's not like you pay more taxes on what you're making now. That's not how this works. This is the biggest fallacy in the stock market, and it makes my blood boil for some reason. Stocky, well, I don't want to do that because I got to pay more taxes. Bitch, if you have $100,000, if you have $10,000, okay, you don't pay more taxes on the $10,000. If you make $4,000 and you pay 20% on that, you're paying $800. You're walking away with $3,600 more. That means you walk away with $13,600. I'm sorry you had to pay $800. You're still walking away. No, Stocky, I don't want to pay taxes. I don't want to do that because I got to pay taxes. You pay taxes on what you gain, not on what you put in. You don't pay taxes if you don't make money on it. Okay? No, Stocky. No, I'm sorry, dude. Sorry. Why would I do that? Why would I sell this now? Why would I sell now in uncertain times at $10,000 gain if I'm going to hit with capital gains tax? You're not getting taxed on the $14,000. You're getting taxed on the $4,000. Stop it. Stop making these stupid excuses for these things. This is why people wait to start investing, because they either don't understand it or they're told some fallacy or they believe it a certain way, and then they spend their entire life looking back going like, fuck.